Hello everyone, I Shivendra Kumar, faculty of MCA department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic logical gate. What is the logical gate? First I introduce you today. Actually logical gate is a digital circuit which is used in any digital devices. Logical gate have different types of the logical gates. We can discuss here with the different types of logical gates. This one. Here we discuss about the three basic logical gates. Actually the logical gates, we can categorize our logical gates in the three views. First are the basic logical gates. So we can mention here the three basic gate. One is the AND gate, another is the OR gate, and third one is your NOT gate. Firstly, we discuss in today's lecture only the three gates. After that, we can mention you the other gates, that is known as the universal gate. We can mention here the AND gate or NOR gate is the universal gate, and after that we can discuss the exclusive gate, that is known as the exclusive OR and exclusive NOR. But first we discuss about today what is the basic logical gates. In basic logical gates, we firstly define the first logical gate, that is known as the AND gate. First gate is AND gate. Here we discuss about the AND gate. AND gate is the type of gate which can perform the operations with A dot B operation. Here you see that AND gate is the type of the logical gate where we have the two input A and B and its output is equal to C equal to A dot B. When we take the two input, if we have the two input, then 2 to the power 2 equal to 4 combinations becomes here. That combinations is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Here you can say that we can mention here the expression. What is the meaning of the expressions? Here it is the A dot B. Means when the value is the 0 and B value is the 0, then we multiply A dot B, it's become the 0. In the AND gate, we can simply say that our output is always be the 1 when the both input is the 1. So this is known as your AND gate. AND gate always works when our two inputs is true, then the output is true. Any one our input is not true, then the resultant always be the false. So this is the first gate, that is known as your AND gate. Now we discuss another gate which is known as OR gate. OR gate. Here next gate is OR gate. OR gate means OR gate is the type of the logical gate which can perform on the operations of the A plus B. Always when you mention the any gate, we have the only three things always be mentioned. First, the logical diagram. Second one, what is our expression, and third one is our the truth table. we can say that the or what is the meaning of the or operations? Or means we just take only one true. Here we mentioned that in or 0 plus 0 becomes the 0, 0 plus 1 becomes the 1, 1 plus 0 becomes the 1, and 1 plus 1 becomes the 1s. It means we can say that when any output, where we have the two output and any one is the true, then the resultant is the true. In OR gate, we can always say that when both input is the 0, then the resultant is 0. When you mention the OR gate, always you remember that we have to mention the three things. First, your logical diagram. Second, your expression, that is C equal to A plus B. And third one is your truth table. So this is second gate, that is known as your OR gate. Further, we move and mention the last basic gate, that is known as the NOT gate. NOT gate is the type of the gate which can work like an inverter. Means when we have the A, then the resultant is always be the A naught. It works on just opposite, or you can say that it is work like a complement. Complement means when we give the input A as a 0, then its complement results becomes the 1. So you can say that when the input is the 0, the output is the 1. When input is the 1, then output is the 0. In this lecture, we can mention all three basic gates. First, AND gate. Second one is your OR gate. And third is NOT gate. So I hope you understand the first basic gates, logical gates. Thank you so much.